darn engine has quit for the last time. I'm gonna figure this out. I'm not going anywhere until we figure this thing out. We know it's not the wire down below because I fixed that one a few days ago. We know it's not the alternator because I proved that works too. But this intermittent problem is driving me nuts. Every time I think the engine's gonna work, I go to start it and it just goes click. Or it does nothing. That's even worse. One of the other symptoms is the tachometer doesn't work. It'll sometimes work when we rev it way up, which tells me that it's an amperage problem. Somewhere we're not getting enough current. I'm going to check every connection if I have to rewire this whole thing. These aren't the right kind of connectors, but I had looked at this one before and soldered them. These are actually fine. You know what I'm not sure of? I'm not sure what that does. I really don't know. I don't think it's hooked to anything. This is wired only when the switch is on. These connectors are all good. Go try it again. Our biggest problem is that the tachometer doesn't work. Deoxit contact cleaner.
Was it plugged in?
Well, if I wiggle this, it doesn't work. How's that?
Wait a minute. Does that mean it wasn't plugged in, like all of those tech support people asked?
That is a plug. And, well, it wasn't making contact. It looked like it was plugged in. This is the wiring harness that takes all the wires from the engine and brings them up here. So the sensing unit for the alternator, everything runs through there. If I jumper these two wires, she'll turn over. Yep. So the connection hiding back in the corner was it all along. Hopefully that's the last one. Okay, so what we're looking for is for the alternator light to come on, the generator or the charge light, because that charge light hasn't been coming on. Ah, there it is, the top light. And we have a tachometer. Look at that. Let's try it again. Yes, we have a tachometer. Look at that.
If you like the video you've just seen and you would like to see more, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.